Want to install Windows 11 on unsupported CPUs? I'll guide you through the steps. Stay tuned for a quick and effective way to get Windows 11 running on your system. If you wonder how do I bypass the CPU isn't supported Windows 11, download Windows 11 Disk Image, ISO. Open the Select Download dropdown. Select Windows 11, hit the Download button. Click the Choose One dropdown, select your product language, and then hit Confirm. Click 64-bit Download. This is how to install Windows 11 on unsupported CPU via ISO. Press the Windows key plus R to start run, type regedit, and click OK to launch the registry editor. Navigate to the following path. H key, local, machine, monsoon system, wo setup, most up. In the right pane, you can right-click, select New, and then select the doored 32-bit value. Once the value is created, you can rename it to allow upgrades with unsupported PM or CPU. You can now double-click on this new value and enter one into the value data field. Then, finally, hit OK and close the registry editor. This is how to install Windows 11 on unsupported CPU via regedit. After downloading the ISO, press Windows key plus E to launch File Explorer. Locate the ISO, right-click on it, and select Mount. A new virtual drive will appear on your PC. Access it and double-click on the setup.exe file to start the installation process. After installation, you should see a warning message instead of a rejection one. This message offers an option to install Windows 11 without losing your data. Thanks for watching. If it helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe.